A lot of times when you're working with data, you want some nice summary measures. If you're working with the entire population, these are parameters. If you are working with a sample, then these are statistics. So summary parameters or summary statistics that just help you understand what's going on with your data as a whole. Of course, this is only good with numeric data. So what we have is a situation, we have convenience store spending, we have who the customer, just customer ID, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then how much money they spent. So customer 1 spent $41.62. Customer 2 spent $14.67. You get the idea. I want to know how much got spent in total. And one way I can do this, and I've purposely left the formatting here where it's not going to be so pretty up front, and we'll see how to modify that. I'm going to enter in equals sum. And then I could go, and for this time, I'm going to do it just so you see. I'm going to highlight down through all 39 of my customers, and that's B3:B41. And if I press enter, it's going to get me that value of how much money was spent, $1,176. Another question I might have is, well, how much was the average spend? How much did my customers spend on average? What I'm going to do, equals average. And this time I'm going to just kind of speed up the process because I have all of my dollar spending data in this column B. I am just going to highlight the B up at the top. And when I do that, it gives me the average spend. What was the max spend? Equals max. I'm going to do the same thing. How about the min spend? Equals min. And once again, just highlight column B. And then finally, the range. And the way we're going to take the range is say, well, what was the max spend minus what was the min spend? And the range of spending was $85.86. The last thing that I want to do here with you is change the formatting. This is kind of wonky, right? We're talking about dollars and cents. And I will head on up. Let's take a look. More formats. And one thing I could do is I could do accounting. The other thing, and it's not quite the same, they're close, is work in currency. This time I'll work with accounting. And the thing with accounting is it always puts the dollars way off to the left, and then the values are right justified. So with currency, it works a little bit more like standard text. So, that's just, you get to see both ways. But now we have summary measures of our data, and that's pretty useful.